Hi everyone, we've got a quick video today on a new piece of stock that had come in. This is a vehicle that's available straight away, so please do get in touch if it's something that you're looking for. This is a brand new Nissan Interstar L3 Dropside. This is a factory Dropside. It is a single axle rear wheel drive model, so being the Tekna specification, we'll start with what we'll do is we'll look around the vehicle and go over everything. So what we have on the front here, fog lights. Fog lights are standard on the Tekna specification. Then when we look at the top there, we've got a sensor for the automatic automatic wipers and lights. Big wide view mirrors, the indicators on the side of them. And then this is one of our factory conversions, so it is a Scatolini body. So you can see that on the pull arm there. So I've actually got the side, the rear dropped, so we'll go around the back and have a look at it. So yeah, so this one is 3.6 meters in the bed. It's a massive bed, so one of the longest that we do as a factory conversion. I've got the tailgate drop there, so you've got the reflectors on the back and the little step to get in and out. To put it away, you can just lift it up and it'll snap into place. I've got other videos where I've done that before. My hands are a bit full at the moment, so we'll do that in just a moment when I get going. We've got side reflectors, so side reflectors on the sides, and then all of these wheels come with a centre cap in the middle. As we open up the passenger side door, the first thing that greets us is this little that's your diesel filler, and then on the opposite side you've got your AdBlue, which is this vehicle will take 22 litres of AdBlue and it returns in between 7.5 and 8,000 miles range. This is a Euro 6D fully compliant engine. It's one of the latest vehicles that a vehicle and engine combination that Nissan offer. This being a Tekna spec, we've got the 3 seats. One of them is currently folded down, and just to display the tabletop on the back of it. And then if you notice, this seat is covered up all the way around, and there's a little tab there. So if you pull on the tab, that pops open. Oh, there's my trade plates. Then we've got the storage underneath here as well, and that is underneath both seats, so you can lift up the middle seat as well, and that'll allow you to access that. And if we were to fold this seat back up, so we'll put this one away. There's a little lever down the side here. That's that. And then just to show you that middle seat storage, there it is underneath there. You do get a driver's armrest with this vehicle as well. Fully adjustable seat. I like the fact that there's plenty of space behind the seat, so if you need to adjust it, you can do. Coat hooks on the back. It's all soundproofed and not felt lined on the interior, so it's really nice. Then we've got a upper storage compartment just along here. And then this model, it being a Tekna spec, also has a Satnav unit, air conditioning. We'll come around to the driver's side and have a look at that. Go. Sorry about that. So if we switch the engine on here, nice quick start up. Being a rear wheel drive model, I really like the way that these drive. They feel very stable, is the word I'd use for them. And a very solid engine as well. Combination between the two is real nice. So what we've got is the Satnav screen in the middle. If we wanted to see the map, you just press the map button, agree to that, and then that'll bring up a map. You can also use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay using the little USB slot that's in the front there. You've got eco function just underneath that. Your hazard light, your central locking as well. Doors open currently, that's why it's not locking. And then going back, we've got air conditioning there, as well as your 12-volt socket. This vehicle currently got 6 miles on it. It is a brand new vehicle, unregistered. So if you are looking for a vehicle like this, or have been looking, please do get in touch. This vehicle is available for immediate delivery, and you can contact us in this normal manner, which is either through the comment section below, or through our Auto Trader if you're looking at this on the Auto Trader. And that's your AdBlue tank just there as well. Thank you again for watching. Please do get in touch if you want one of these. Bye.